Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a review of this Ghost electric shaver. It's absolutely awesome, and in this video review I'll be going over the features and functions with you as well as demonstrating myself using it. Now let's get right into the video. First and foremost, take a look at the actual shaver. Unbelievably sleek design. I want you to notice something. 5 rotary heads to shave with. Amazing. One of the coolest things about this electric shaver, other than the fact that it works unbelievably well, is the simple fact that look at its design, okay? It is designed, it's a simple fact that it is designed to work with the natural motion of your arm. So I obviously shave my head, okay? Now, a regular rotary shaver will likely have the head somewhere up here, meaning I can go like this on my face, but when I go to shave my head, this is what I have to do. Look at this. Does this look natural to you? I don't think so. Other than this is natural right here. Anyways, I'm just joking around. That doesn't look natural. It doesn't feel natural. What does feel natural? This. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay? Simple. It works really, really well. Okay? One of the coolest things about this is the fact that it charges extremely quickly and lasts for several sessions. So you don't have to charge it for a long time. And if you're like me, you shave your head every 2 days, let's say, it's going to work really, really well. Simply because you charge it once, you can shave your head multiple times, and you only have to charge it every once in a while, okay? Once you've shaved your head, depending on how long it takes you. Me, personally, it takes me about 3 minutes to shave my head, so I rarely have to charge this thing, okay? Simple feature, one button, on, off. That's it. No levels, no display screen, one button. I love simplicity. That's all that you need. One button. Watch me use this thing right now. Check this out. Watch how quickly I can shave my head. One button. Look at how easy this is. I'm not exaggerating when I tell you. Listen to that. You can hear it cutting the hair. Right there. Listen. You can hear it cutting the hair. Okay? I'm not exaggerating when I tell you that by the time that I finish talking in this video, I'll be done. It works so well. It's unbelievable how awesome it is. In addition to it working really well, I'll finish this later. In addition to it working really well, I'll finish it now actually. I don't want to go upstairs and show my wife like my half-shaven head. In addition to it working really well, okay, it has a nice simple charger. It can charge easily and quickly. In addition, it can clean really easily. You want to know how to clean this thing? All that you have to do, rinse the blades underwater. That's all that it takes. It's so simple, okay? It looks cool. My arm is not going to hurt when I'm shaving my head, and this is great. I like to use my razor, generally speaking, to shave my head. But sometimes I run out of time. I don't have time. This is perfect. I'll tell you why. I'm driving, no problem. Let's say I'm waiting in line for a coffee. Take out my razor, I can shave my head while I'm waiting in the drive-thru line. And I can go to work with a nice cleanly shaven head. Very simple, without wasting time in the shower. Okay? This is great. And if you use an electric razor, in my honest opinion, this is the one for you. I mean, literally, if you can't tell, it is so unbelievably easy to use. My head is pretty much already done. I'm just going over now for fun, to make it super smooth. And when I touch the back of my head, oh wow, that feels fantastic. Okay? It probably took me about 1.5 to 2 minutes max to shave my entire head. I didn't make a mess. With some razors, you end up with hairs everywhere on the floor and you gotta vacuum. That's why I originally started shaving my head in the shower, to keep it nice and simple. But with this, there's no mess. I look down, there's nothing. My hands, there's not a hair on them. Okay? Insane. Look at the razor itself. Like, it's so easy to clean that it just takes literally 30 seconds to clean this thing. It's amazing. And that's basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this review. It's absolutely awesome. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.